If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Slack Pro, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation process efficiently. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your device or access it through your web browser by logging into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer. Locate the channel or direct message where the pending transfer was initiated. Look for any notifications or messages indicating the transfer status. Step 3. Access the transfer details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Airstrike to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Cancel option. Look for a cancel button or link within the transfer details. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check the channel or direct message again to ensure the transfer is no longer listed as pending. You may also receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Slack Pro. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Slack support for further assistance.